What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Blades with Bill. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. It's EDC related, but not knife related. This is the Everyman Grafton Mini Click pen. Before we get into that, if you've watched this much of the video, do me a huge favor, give me a thumbs up. It's the best thing you can do for mine or any channel. Any kind of interaction shows interest to YouTube, which should help us get pushed up in the algorithm, which should help us get more views, which should help us get more subscribers. So again, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, heck, leave a thumbs down, but tell me what you don't like. But let's get into the pen. I went with this gunmetal gray one. And this is an aluminum pen. It is a Parker style refill. And it does not adjust to take other size refills, but the ones that come in it, and if you order more of the refills from Everyman, are nice and smooth, and they are actually a gel insert. As far as the pen itself, very smooth. The threads for are extremely smooth. They're a little squeaky, but there's no grinding, there's no grit at all. It is a very well made pen, which is the only reason why I have it as an affiliate link. If I wouldn't use it, I wouldn't recommend it. And because this is an aluminum pen, not titanium, it is a whole lot cheaper than a lot of other EDC pens on the market, because most of them are titanium. The size is nice. This is the mini, and as a mini, it's overall is 5 inches. So it's actually big enough to be able to write with comfortably. Whereas some other companies' idea of a mini pen, the pen's like this long, and trying to write with it's a little uncomfortable, a little weird feeling. This is just long enough that even in my bigger hand, it's long enough. It is nice and lightweight, could easily be carried in a shirt pocket. Like I said, so far, I've had no issues with this pen. It's been a very, very good pen. So, check them out. I'll leave my link in the description of the video, along with my socials. Have a great day. Stay safe. Peace.